Okay, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at transactions. Transactions are very crucial to, for instance, to the funding chain, because we want to see the overall picture, and that's what transactions gives us, a big picture of how the money is channeled, and it can also clarify on the expenditures of over periods of time, which is reflected within the result obtained in the project. So to do that, first there needs to be a transaction done. So for instance, if we go to a project that we know made a transaction, that we made a transaction to. For instance, if we go to this project and we want to add that transaction to the project, we need to go in here in the project editor again, scroll down to finance, and then we have the transactions here. So let's start with currency. It's always SEK because we're in Sweden. Humanitarian transaction, no, it was not. So this was disbursement, and the value of it was 500,000. Transaction date. This was the first disbursement, so it was on the signing of the contract. It was the 6th of February this year. So that's April to February. Okay. Transaction value date is the same. Who provided it? It was Spider. From where it came from to the recipient, which was let's see, what was the name of the recipient again? So it was this organization. Let's go back to finance and add this in. Okay, so here we have some IATI coding, IATI codes to fill in or to choose. Transaction aid type is general budget support. And here the next one, it was a direct standard grant. Next one, transaction flow type was ODA. Transaction tied, this is partially tied. Recipient country, it was Rwanda. And we choose the region, south of Sahara, and OECD DAC. And that's it. So now we save. And then we have our transaction that we have done, so it can be saved in IATI in the proper way. Thank you for listening.